Dabar 10 jubiliejinė pergalė. Ar laukit kito jubiliejaus?
Laukiam, tikrai laukiam. Pabiški norim tikriausiai tapti tituluočiausių rankinio klubų Lietuvoje. Dar kiek tai trūksta vytis Granitą, bet mes pakeliui.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts.
Aišku, ta įtampa buvo, kad nebūtų vėl to tokio nusivylimo finale, bet manau, mūsų šitas sezonas, kaip ir kartuojas, įrodė, kad mes tikslingai ėjom dėl šito 10 medalių.
Because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Nuotaikos fantastiškas, pagaliau ilgai lauktas 10-asis apdovanojimas, visi labai laukiam šito apdovanojimo, tai nuotaikos tikrai geros.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take